Hi guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how to use custom 500 page in Django. Before that we need to check some requirements to be satisfied on our local machine. Let's check that Django was installed on your local machine or not. For that type the following command: py space -m Django space hyphen hyphen version, which is nothing but Python admin Django version. This will give you the current version of your Django. If Django was not installed on your local machine, you can install it by using the following command: pip space install Django. By using this command, you can install it on your local machine. So let's create a new project. By using the following command: py space admin Django space start project space project name. As of now, I am giving project as my project name. You can give any of your personal choice. So navigate to the directory of this project. So cd project. We have changed the directory of the project. So what we want to do is we want to create one more app for this project. So type this following command: py space manage.py space start app space app name. As of now, I'm giving demo as my app name. You can give any of your personal choice. So as you can see, the demo app was also created. So here, go to the settings.py file and configure the demo app in installed apps. So after that, configure the template folder as well. So in templates list array, configure the templates folder. So let's create a template folder which can hold our HTML templates. So as you can see, we are configuring this templates folder into our Django project by writing this. After that, create a new template which is home.html. It represents our home page, and one more HTML for our custom 505 page, which is 500.html. So in the demo app, create a new file which is urls.py file. In this file, type the following code: from django.urls import path. In this, create a URL patterns array which can hold all our paths like this. Here I am writing my first path as localhost path, which is nothing but single quotes, and here views.home comma name equal to home. This is for our home page. So we are getting a warning for views. To resolve it, just type the following import line: from dot import views. So go to the views.py file of demo app and create a home view which have we previously configured in urls.py. So here, home of request return render of request come home.html. Alright, so we want to check our project first with the home page. Further, write hello, this is home page. So go to the main urls.py to configure the demo URLs as well. So here add a new path again, which is localhost path. This time I'm using include instead of use to include the demo URLs into our Django project. As you can see, we are getting a warning for include. To resolve it, just import the include also. So we have configured everything pretty much. So let's run our server using the command py space manage.py space run server. As you can see, we have successfully compiled. So go to the browser and type the following address, which is localhost colon 8000. This will give you the home page. Before going to the our Final 5 custom template, I want to show you a demo for the Django Final 500 error template. For that, go to the views again and create a dummy view, which is for checking purpose. Let's create a view as check and just write pass. So go to the urls.py of demo and add this path for check. Check, comma, views.check, comma, name equal to check. Alright. So we have to get an exception if we go to the check URL. As you can see, check was don't have proportional argument. This type of errors are called 500 errors, which are internal server errors. We want to display our custom page instead of this error page. So how we can do that is go to the main urls.py. Outside of URL patterns, create a handler 500 variable equal to demo is our app name which we have created, demo dot views dot error underscore 500. So we got an error because we haven't configured that views in our demo app. So go to the views.py in demo app and let's write that view, which is def error underscore 500 of request colon return render of the request comma in single quote write 500.html, which we have created in our templates folder, is going to be work as our custom template. So open that 500 custom template. So I'm quickly using boilerplate codes. Type the h1. This is for checking purpose. So we have to show that this is 500 custom page. The error is internal server error. Alright. So go back to the browser and refresh. Still we are getting Django templates. So go to the settings.py and go to the debug. Let's make it false. After that, in a allowed host array, just write single quotes inside star, which will allow the every host. So go back to the browser and refresh. This time you can see that our custom page for the 500 error was working successfully. So this is how you can use custom 500 page in Django. Thank you guys.